Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. SBIR grant funding comes with requirements for how to use it. SBIR funds for Phase 1 are focused on determining the scientific or technical feasibility of a new concept or innovation. The goal of the funding is to reduce the technical risk and increase the development of intellectual property. Funds can be used for salaries, benefits, materials and supplies, and direct costs to conduct R&D. Here's a list of use of funds not allowed with a Phase 1 grant. Incremental development of an existing product. Basic engineering work that has no risk. Testing of existing products, unrelated scientific research, market research, sales and marketing, and business development, clinical trials, procure goods or services from the federal government. Consider these requirements for the use of your SBIR grant funds. Also, the SBIR granting agency has unlimited data rights to the project. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.